biggest dangers out here is fires in summer. It's horrendous. It can be started by a lightning strike or a bit of glass on the ground. And one of the reasons when I brought Jen out here this year for this trip that I booked into accommodation was for this very reason. And it became very real while we were here because there was a fire between Kalgoorlie and Menzies that was started by a lightning strike. Now, it closed the highway in total for 3 days. Imagine if you were stuck out in it, you know, like imagine you're in the bush that you're looking at now, which is fairly thick and heavily wooded, and a fire comes through. Number one, you're not going to be able to see because of the smoke. Number two, there's no real access roads in and out of the leases. So to be sensible out here and to make sure that you're not taking resources from where they're needed, meaning the Royal Flying Doctors Service, St John's, all of those things, you really have to be prepared. And you also got to be prepared for things that you're not expecting and think on your feet at all times. So that's just my little spiel about the dangers of bushfires out here in summertime and winter out here. But lightning strikes are something that you just never know when it's going to happen, and at this time of year it's a real danger. So just keep that in mind if you're going out to remote areas. Have a good day, everyone.